You've got lots going on here, actually. It's all bits that we have at home, really, isn't it?
Hopefully, yes. These are my very own Christmas tree lights, because it's depressing, isn't it, after Christmas? You get the blues, you feel bloated, you've got all the wrapping paper around, your Christmas tree's wilted, and we've got to go back to work as well, haven't we? So, something as simple as your Christmas tree lights. Why do we put these back in a loft for 11 months of the year? Because they're actually really nice.
Yeah, because they're tough to wrap up, and then they're all in a tangle when you get them out next year.
And it takes a lifetime, or they don't work for some reason. Putting them in a loft breaks them. So I personally leave mine out. And what you can do, something as simple as... Now, I'm not suggesting you had a boozy Christmas, either of you, but I'm guessing you might have the old wine bottle.
You could light Blackpool with mine, I'm afraid.
And what do you do with them? So, by simply stuffing... Stuffing's not an elegant word, is it? But you know what I mean.
It's festive, though, isn't it?
Yeah. It's deliberate, I'd like to say. In fact, I'm not going to do this. Philip, would you mind carefully and delicately stuffing those in there?
How many would you like stuffed in?
About 17, ideally.
Oh, right.
No, I'm joking. It's as many as you can. But I think you'll see...
So make sure that they're dry inside, I'm assuming, because if they weren't, then that would be one explosive mess.
It would. That's why I'm asking you to do it, because there might be a few dregs in there. No, not really. So that's just a really simple way of keeping your fairy lights out all year round. Because personally, I don't like intense lighting in a room. I think interior design-wise, it's all about ambient lighting, setting the mood, and I think that's just lovely.
And you could do a collection, obviously, with the one set of lights. Then you could maybe do 2 or 3 bottles together in a little.
Yeah, you could do
Actually, it's funny enough. When you get into the swing of things, it's something quite satisfying.
I knew you'd like
I'll be quite sad when it stops.
I'm not going to inquire. If you're feeling slightly more adventurous, you can go for the plastic milk bottles.
Yeah, see, now that's not up my street.
No, OK, this is a bit of me, this.
Is this too crafty for you, Philip? Right. Well, with this, you can make some wonderful items like, as you see there, you've got Nelly the elephant.
Oh, yes.
You've got a penguin, and all you do is cut that simply out of these. So that lends itself wonderfully to the trunk of an elephant, as I think you'll agree. Shall I draw it on for you?
So, Max, do you spend your time just looking at objects we all have at home and thinking, I know what I can do with that?
Yeah, I'm a bit weird like that. I blame my parents. We used to go to Scotland.
We've got the lights going down just so you can see my bottle.
Look, that's really pretty.
Ooh.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yes.
You've passed your first test. Congratulations.
Most unusually, Buckingham Palace have come out and given several statements.
4, I think.
Oh, 4, is it?
I think it's
4 statements.